welcome to my first reaction video. So today I'm going to be reacting to Thomas and Friends World's Strongest Engine with Peppa Pig and Friends. So I think this involves the TV show, the kids show Peppa Pig, so let's just get on watching in 3, 2, 1, go.
Welcome to the Thomas and Friends games, World's Strongest Engine, Peppa Pig and Friends.
Yeah, it does involve the TV show.
Crew here, and they're ready to get messy.
Oh.
Well, at least it's the pigs getting messy this time and not us minis.
Wait, they do this to the minis? Why?
Today's competing
I mean,
engines are Dart, Toby,
they're just minis.
Ferdinand,
Really?
Henry, Thomas, Hero, and
It's just
Percy.
minis. Oh, look, there's me.
Bill is here to squirt some water and make some mud.
Oh. Okay.
Thanks, Brave Bill. Nice work. There will be a pig waiting at each end of the track. Starting things off, Dart versus Percy.
He's gonna win. He's gonna win. Oh, it's me.
It looks like Granny Pig is first into the mud.
Woo! Yeah, I saw that coming.
Well, I can't believe this, but I actually really like the mud. It's so refreshing.
Yeah, you're a pig. It's supposed to be the joke.
Toby versus Hero. There goes Grandpa Pig.
Oh, this mud is so much fun! I haven't had this much fun in a long time.
Bill versus Thomas. Bye, George. Hope you have fun playing in the mud.
It would have been better if that was the steamroller, George. It would have been more hilarious to see him fall into the mud.
Fun.
Dino Ben, please report to the end of the track.
Wait, what?
I am so confused.
You're putting a mini?
At the end of the track. How did I get here?
I guess we're running out of pigs.
Quarterfinals. Ferdinand versus Henry.
I hate the mud. It seeps in under my wheels and gets into my engine. It's so yucky. Oh, I can't stand it. It's tough being a mini. Yeah, that's for sure.
Percy versus Toby.
Go, Toby, go.
I believe they mistiled it there. It's supposed to say semifinals, not quarterfinals.
Whee! This is the most fun I've ever had. Whoa, I love swimming in the mud. It's amazing.
Who will face off against Percy in the finals?
Come on, give me a good one. Give me a good one.
Semifinals, Bill versus Ferdinand. Great dive, Daddy Pig.
Yes, thank you. That was fun, and at least my glasses stayed on.
Salty.
Yeah,
to the
that
end
would
of
have been
the
a
track,
catastrophe
please,
if they
Salty.
didn't.
Hey, I'm not a pig. What do you think you're doing to me?
Oh, no.
We're
I
running
can't
out
believe
of
I
pigs,
got
you
pushed
know.
off.
Final round. Percy versus Bill.
Oh, I lost.
I actually really like the mud. It's not so bad after all.
It's the joke. Yay, Bill.
Hey, I want in on the fun. Look out below.
Great job, Bill. We're all so proud of you.
Hey! Who's throwing mud? Not again!
Alright guys, that was me reacting to this video. If you want to see me react to more videos, comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.